Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're making a baked cheesecake, and this is my first time making a burnt Basque cheesecake. This cheesecake comes from the Basque area of Spain. It's delicious and only takes 5 minutes to make. Doesn't that sound great? You just pop all the ingredients into a bowl, whisk together, and it's ready for the oven. Okay everyone, let's start baking. In a medium-sized bowl, place full fat cream cheese. Into this add plain flour, vanilla extract, salt, 6 medium-sized eggs, double cream, and our last ingredient is sugar. This is so simple to make, and if you've never made one, then you should definitely put it on your 2022 baking list. That's it, everything's in the bowl, and now just whisk together until everything is combined and the mixture starts to thicken slightly. That's perfect. Now we just need to get this into an 8-inch springform tin, which I've double lined with parchment paper. Don't worry about all the creases in the parchment paper, as they give character to the cheesecake. Bake for 1 hour at 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, until the top is dark brown and it's a little jiggly in the centre. When the cheesecake is baked and you've allowed it to cool, it's important to place it in the fridge overnight to chill and set so it keeps its shape. When you're ready to serve, remove the sides of the tin and peel back the parchment paper. This has to be the easiest cheesecake I've ever made. Alright, let's cut a nice big slice. Look how set that is. I'm serving this with whipped fresh cream. In Spain they like to serve this with a glass of sherry wine. I hope you enjoyed this burnt Basque cheesecake video, and if you make it, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe or follow my page so you don't miss out on my easy to follow baking tutorials. Happy baking everyone! Bye bye!
Scrummy!